Hey everybody,
Hi everyone.
Jeff,
And Steph's.
excellent adventure.
Yes.
So today we're in Greece at the Parthenon, which is it was a pretty quick trip.
I know you're asking,
From
how did
Nashville.
we get here in the fifth wheel?
Yeah, it wasn't
very, very tricky.
We had a pretty good running start. Hit that Atlantic going pretty fast. So,
Sweet jump.
right? So what's the story here with this whole thing?
So we are in Nashville, Tennessee. We're downtown Nashville in Centennial Park. And this behind us, look at how cool this is.
It's an exact replica, is that correct?
Of the Parthenon in Athens, Greece. And you're probably asking, why is this in downtown Nashville?
Why is this in downtown Nashville,
That's
Stephanie?
what we were asking.
Right?
We're like, that is so bizarre.
Now we're almost directly across from Vanderbilt University,
Yes.
is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is a huge park here. And Centennial Park was built for Nashville's centennial celebration in 1897.
And it's an exact scale, is that
Yeah,
correct?
and so they built this because they called Nashville, Tennessee the Athens of the South because of the learning facilities here, and they say because of the knowledge. So to celebrate that fact, they built the exact scale replica of the Parthenon here.
It's pretty amazing, isn't it?
It is.
There's no reason at all to go to Greece now.
Right? It was built for the centennial celebration, and they originally built it out of plaster,
And wood.
and brick.
Right.
And they said it was deteriorating so bad that 20 years later, they rebuilt the entire thing on the same foundation out of concrete. So now she's as solid as it gets.
Now, is there any chance that Athena is in there?
There is. We're going
that
to
right?
show you what's inside. It's pretty cool. But let's check out the Parthenon while we're here.
Now, this is on the Oddities app, is that correct?
It is. It's on our Roadside America Odyssey.
Because I would have never have guessed.
Oddities app.
I would have never have guessed that there was a Parthenon in, of all places, Nashville, Tennessee.
Correct. Very
The
strange.
home of country music.
Yes. And you will notice it is very busy here today.
It is.
Absolutely packed. And one of the reasons we think it's busy is this weekend, we're down here on a Saturday, it's the weekend of the CMA Festival.
Country Music Fest.
Yeah,
is what
Country
it is,
Music
yeah.
Award Festival. And so they're supposed to have millions of visitors in town just for that. So it is going to be a little crowded, but we're going to try to show you what we can.
And what a beautiful day.
It is.
It's just a perfect day. It's
So at Centennial Park, there is lots of free parking, which is awesome. So we were driving in here worried about parking, but there's parking lots everywhere. And they do have a downtown farmers market going today, so we'll check that out too. Look how massive these columns are.
huge, right?
Yeah.
Crazy. Wow.
Centennial Park is a huge park, and look how beautiful it is. There's lots of activities going on here today. Very cool doors. It is $10 for adults and $8 for seniors to go inside the Parthenon. When you walk inside, There is a gift shop on your right and ticket booth straight ahead. And you go upstairs and you see this. So inside the Parthenon is this massive Athena statue. She stands over 42 feet
42
high.
feet tall.
Wow.
And has 8 pounds of gold leaf gilded onto her.
Incredible.
Yeah.
And the details here, I'll tell you a little bit more about it because we were reading about it, but it's absolutely beautiful. So worth it to come in here just to see her. Don't you think?
Totally, yeah.
Crazy.
It's very impressive.
So here is Athena. On her right palm, she has a 6-foot tall Nike. She's holding a giant shield, and there's a serpent peeking out from her right there. It took the artist over 8 years to complete her. You can see the detail. It's just beautiful with all the gold leaf.
Even the base is pretty impressive.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Should we go all the way down here? It just feels so grand in this building with the sunlight peeking down. It's beautiful. Here is the side of her shield. Look at the detail on this.
And it depicts the war between the Greeks and the Amazons. And there's a picture of Medusa right in the middle with a snake head.
Oh, that's Medusa.
Yeah.
Huh?
Notice her fingers on the top of the shield, the size of her fingers.
Oh, yeah. Here's from the back side. And you can see that serpent a little better now. And Nike's wings.
So the interesting thing is when you go to the original Parthenon in Greece, the tour guides actually will tell you that there's actually another Parthenon.
Yeah,
And it's in Nashville, Tennessee.
right.
And to the surprise of most people,
Yeah, no
I
one
never
has
knew
any
it.
idea.
I never knew this was
Yeah.
here.
Look at the size of these doors. Jeff just said, look at the knockers. That's what he said.
Look at the size and scale of these doors.
Right.
The biggest doors I've ever seen in my life.
You got a new friend there, honey?
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
So here is the Parthenon in Greece. And it looks like the Nashville one is in much better shape. What do you think, honey? Centennial Park is very cool. It's massive. They have all kinds of activities going on here, and they have sculptures and artwork, and they have a lake, it looks like, with paved walkways. You can come walk down here or bring a scooter. We should have brought our scooters, honey.
And we've been in a lot of parks in America, and this one's right up there with some of the nicer ones we've seen.
Yeah, it is done really well.
Yeah.
They have a large lake here and duck pond. You can probably feed the ducks. This park reminds me something of like Central Park even in New York. This is a monument here built to James Robertson, the founder of Nashville. This is the Tennessee Women's Suffrage Monument. Here's another beautiful bronze statue here in the park. This is John Thomas, and he worked on the railroads down here in the South, and he was in charge of the Centennial celebration, and an overall stand-up guy from what we read.
And he must have been, because he got his own statue.
Yeah, it's a big one too. Nicely done, Nashville. This is a great park. The park has these cool old swings installed here. Look, they even have a footrest on them, all on chains. Jeff and I are going to try these out. They're all around the park. Pretty cool. Oh, this is fun. Look at us on our swing. It's very squeaky.
So,
Whee!
So Stephanie, how'd you enjoy your day here at the Parthenon?
And the Centennial Park?
Yeah.
It was awesome. A lot of fun. And the weather's perfect for this.
And when you were a kid, you were on a swing, it always made this sound.
The squeaky noise.
Always.
Are you guys getting dizzy yet watching us?
Right.
Woo!
Let's see if we can do a 360 around the top bar.
Oh, brother.
That might get 1 million hits on that.
Right?
Yeah. So there's a farmer's market over here. Maybe we should go check this out.
We're going to check out Nashville some more today. But we just wanted to say thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing.
We love you, our subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. We really appreciate it.
Yeah. little amphitheater here in the center of the market area. And they have live acts that are going to be performing throughout the day all the way until it looks like 7 o'clock. So from Centennial Park, we're going to go check out and drive around Nashville a little. If we can find somewhere to park and show you some stuff, we will, but there are a lot of crowds in town this weekend, and parking looks like it's going to be a little bit of a bear. So we're going to drive down along 12th Avenue. We've gone up and down it a couple times. It's the hot spot in Nashville, it looks like. It's all restaurants, bars, clubs. It's super busy down here. We're owing a lot of it to the CMAs that are in town right now. There's all kinds of festivals and parties and things going on. So we're just going to show you it from the car because we can't find anywhere to park. There's the famous Wings mural. There's some cute, cool murals over there on the left also, this whole side.
Jeff.
And steps.
Excellent.
Swinging and
In Tennessee.
Music City.
Oh yeah.
Adventure.
See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.